Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Swan Lake's long dress on Just to Impress. So let's get started with the video, removing everything except for the ones I made adjustments on. Yes, I did use some VIP items for this. So let's get started with the video. For the hair, I used this updo in this blonde, no adjustments made, and then I used this hair in blonde as well. Position the Y to 0.56, Z 0.69, and scale to 0.26. Now for the outfit, grab this top and turn off everything except for the gem. Color it this pink color. It's FFB2C4 and then pink again, and then I did this blue. CADBFF for both. Actually, for the fourth one, I did 87AEFF. Grab the petal dress, this one, in No Silver Top in Queen of Flowers, and color it this blue. CADBFF for both. And then the last one, I'm going to color it this color, but in a brighter blue. Grab this skirt with no bow, and then color it pink, and then pink again, and then blue, and then that blue again. For the sleeves, we're going to get this currency item in the sleeves toggle only, in blue, and then in pink, and then in pink. Ooh, and also we need this top here in codes, this one. No collar and sleeves. Color it this blue first in silk, in light silk, and then light silk again in that blue. Or did I do pink? Oh, I colored it pink, sorry. Actually, I think I did blue. Let's just go back later and then color it blue. Okay, let's color it this first. Actually, let me just remove this and use this top first because I did this top first and I'm like confused. Okay. Color it pink in light silk, and then in light silk in that blue in CADBFF. Actually, I'll do silk. And then I'm going to color that like the skin tone, the straps in matte. And then I'm going to color it pink in blue, sorry, in light silk. Okay, now I'm going to add that top, sorry. Where is it? In codes. This one in no collar and sleeves. Color it this blue in like light silk. And then color it blue again in light silk. And then color it blue like that. Now I am going to grab these wings in white and in that blue. It's CADBFF, by the way, the blue that I'm using. Then I grab this crown from VIP, this one, in FDD 9FF and FCD 8FF. Rotate the X to 0.49. Lastly, we're going to grab this headpiece in that color, and then in that pink color, FFB2C4, and then I think I did the purplish color again. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!